If you're looking for a healthy alternative to butter or margarine, you might already have it in the kitchen. Avocado spread is creamy, rich, and full of heart-healthy fats. And unlike butter, which is high in saturated fats, avocado is packed with monounsaturated fats that support healthy cholesterol levels. In addition, you're going to be getting a nutritional bonus of fiber, potassium, vitamin E, and folate, nutrients butter and margarine just can't compete with. Swapping just 1 tablespoon of butter for mashed avocado saves you around 20 calories and cuts saturated fat in half. Not bad for a simple swap. You can prepare this in minutes and freeze it and use it within 30 days. Just like butter, you can spread it on toast, layer it in a sandwich, or even use it as a butter replacement in baking. It adds moisture, creaminess, and a mild, nutty flavor without the processed stuff.